WhatsApp statuses are a way to share exactly what's going on with your life with your contacts on WhatsApp. It is a lot more limited than something like stories on Facebook, for example, or other similar social media apps. However, you can still do quite a few things with it, for example, including pictures with captions, etc. Starting off with Android. First off, if you want to see what statuses others have posted, make sure to go into your Updates tab. Here you can both add your own statuses, but also see what others have been posting. To add your own, simply tap on your profile picture on the left hand side in the top left corner of that Updates tab. Then simply add some text, image, video, or anything else from your library, and once you're done customizing it, you can simply just click on the send button in the bottom right. Now, while a WhatsApp status lasts 24 hours before automatically disappearing, you can remove it before that. So here's exactly how you do that. Once again, go into Updates and press My Status. Then tap the three dots on the right next to the status you want to delete. Then select delete from the list that pops up, and then once again confirm that in a pop-up that will come up. So okay, that's how it all looks like on Android. On iPhone, it's a bit of a different process, so let's go over how that looks like. Once you're in WhatsApp, you want to go into the Status tab. So this is exactly where you can see everything that you and others will be posting. Once you are there, tap on My Status. Once again, add whatever media you want, be it image, video, or otherwise, and hit send. And then if you want to once again delete your status on iPhone, well, once again in status page, you want to tap on the status you created, and then tap on the three dots. Then select delete from the list, and then once again confirm it in the pop-up that comes up. But okay, then there's also the WhatsApp web app, and unfortunately over there you can't actually create or add any statuses to your profile. You can only view your existing ones or ones that others have posted. So if you want to do that, here's exactly how that can be done. Once you're on a web app, you want to click up on a broken up circle icon next to your profile image in the top left. Then click on My Status, and once again all the statuses will be available for you to see there. Another thing to keep in mind with statuses is that the things you put on there aren't automatically saved. So once they're gone, they're gone. So if it's something you want to keep for longer than 24 hours, make sure to save that first. But that's pretty much everything you need to know about statuses on WhatsApp, how to add them, remove them, and how to actually view them. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.